Hi everyone. Let's create a digitization project. Click New Project. Enter a relevant project name and process name, such as extraction. Since this is a digitization project, select Digitization as the project type and click Next. We do not have any documentation to add at this stage, so click Next. In Task Design, we have the default Image field. Add OCR text to store OCR data, click Create, and a field called Annotation to store annotation data. Click Create to complete the process. Let's add the output fields. Create a field called Name of type Text. Click Create. Next, add another field called Address of type Text. Similarly, add any additional fields required for the project. Now let's add subfields. Click on Subfields. Create a field called Number of type Text and add it. Similarly, create as many subfields as needed for the project, then save the changes. Click Next. We can design a custom template if needed. The user-defined template option will let us create a custom template, but for now, let's keep the default template and proceed to the next step. Here, select Maker Checker as the workflow method. Add another level to the project called QC. Click Add and move to the next step. In this project, we do not have any process logic to add, so click Next. Before adding users, let's configure the OCR processor in Advanced Settings. Click on Project Task, then Task Properties. Search for OCR Processor. The search result shows our processor. Click Add. In the processor configuration, choose the image URL as the image path field. Select Google. Let's select all the necessary fields from the list and click Add to complete the setup. Now let's add users to the project. Go to the Users section. Click Add. Select the users for both the configured levels and click Add. Users are added to our project. Now, let's add a dataset to the project. Click Add Batch. Give a batch name in the field, say Batch 1. Select a priority for the batch and click Submit to complete. We will import some images to the batch with Import option. Select Media from the list, Browse and Upload. Click Import and wait for the tasks to be imported. Preprocessor will process the images while importing. Tasks are added successfully. Now click on My Tasks. Search for the project, click Get Tasks, and wait for the task to load. Once loaded, you will see the image displayed along with the OCR data. On the left, we have options for Restore, Contrast, Saturation, and Brightness. You can also zoom in and zoom out. Other options include Size Ratio, Fit to Screen, Help, Rotate Right for alignment adjustment, Rotate Left for the same, Restore Rotation, and Toggle Annotation to show or hide the bounding boxes. On the right, you will see the configured output fields and the subfield table. You can zoom in using the mouse controls. Now let's copy data from the OCR. Hold Ctrl and use the mouse to select. Then click on the name field to populate it. Similarly, select and copy the address into the field. We can copy the other required data to our fields in the same fashion. Next, let's add the subfield data using the same methods. You can either double-click an OCR box or use Control mouse selection to copy a group of words into the required subfield. Now, we have filled data in 4 rows of the subfield table. All the data that has been copied will be highlighted on the image. For the table data, you can delete rows using the Delete option and add as many rows as needed using the Add option. The Add Table Data option can be used to add more rows into the table. We have Import, Export, and Full Screen options. Thank you for watching.